So, hello Mannat, how are you? Yes, you're fine. Chale. In the last class, we studied about the Indian system of numeration. Okay, in our math class, we were studying about the Indian numeration system, in which we said that there are 4 periods, right? How many periods were there? 4. I'm not able to hear you. Okay, sorry. Chale. You can increase the volume if you want. Okay. So the 4 periods were there. Can you name them once, then,
Tens, hundreds, thousand.
then 10,000?
10,000 lakh, 10 crore.
Anji, 10 lakh and then 1 crore. So let me just 1 second. I'll revise it. This is the period which I am saying. We have 4 periods. Ones period, then we have thousands period, then we have lakhs period and crores period. Okay, beta. So now based on that, we will do our worksheets. Okay, beta. Now you can see यहाँ पे आपको you are able to see a number written over here. Okay. Yes. Number is written over here. So you have to tell me what will be the digit which will be coming under the thousands place in the first number. Uh, एक second, Mannat. Yes. This is your first question. So tell me which digit I should write in thousands column.
1,001.
Very good. What about the hundreds?
Hundreds, 1.
1. Are you able to see the number? What the number is written? It is 1754.
इसमें 2 वाली है.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So which digit will come under hundreds place?
And 7.
7. I told the answer by mistake. Yes. And in tens place?
5.
Very good. Ones place?
And 4.
Yes, very good. Now move on to the next number. The number written is 2698. So what will be the digit coming under the thousands column? Very good. What about the hundreds?
6.
Very good. Tens?
9.
And what about the ones place?
8.
8. Now move on to the next question. It's the number written is 4761. The digit coming under the thousands.
First.
Yes, 4. Very good. And what about 100 place?
And the second में 7. And the
4.
third में 6. The last में 1.
Okay. Mannat, first of all, you should not say it is first, second, third. You know the place value. Now the next number is 7240. Which digit will I write under the tens place? Tens place.
And tens place.
Yes.
And 4.
Very good. What about the thousands place?
1,007.
Very good. And what about hundreds?
Ma'am, hundreds. 2.
2. Very good.
Ma'am,
And what?
in 1, 0.
0. Yes. Now tell me the next number. 5379. So what will be the ones digit place? Ones place पे कौन सा digit आएगा?
9.
9. Very good. What about the tens?
And tens.
Yes.
And 7.
Good.
Ma'am, hundreds. 7. Ma'am, sorry, 3.
3. Yes. And what about
Thousands. 5.
Yes. 5? Very good. That is so good. Okay. Now we will move on to the next. Yes, beta.
And
Yes. In this number, which digit will come under the thousand place?
thousands. 3.
3. Very good. And what about the tens place?
Ma'am, 10.
Yes.
And 10. 5.
Is it 5 or is it 0? It is 0.
And 0.
Yes, and 5 is at the ones place. So which digit is left for the hundreds place?
1.
1. Very good. So in this number 6982, which digit will come at hundreds place?
100. 6. And 1000. I'm sorry, 100 6 9 आएगा.
9.
1000 में 6 आएगा. मैम और 10 में 8 आएगा. मैम और 1 में वो आएगा 2.
Yes. Tell me about the next number. All the place values. 1000,
Ma'am,
hundreds.
1000. Ma'am, 1000. 9.
Yes.
Ma'am, 0.
Yes.
Ma'am,
1. And one's place पे it will be?
and 2.
Yes. Good. Now the next question is about, you have to match the number, like you have been given the digit and the kind of place value number name. मतलब the, जैसे कि suppose देखो इसमें लिखा है 5000, 800, 3 tens and 4 ones. तो ये वाला नंबर कौन सा बनेगा बेटा? 5000. यहाँ पे आप देखो ये जो नंबर्स आपको गिवन है, देखिए बेटा, this number, then this number, this number, this number and this number. Out of these 5 numbers, which number has 5 at its thousands place? Yes, Mannat?
What?
Which number has got 5 at its thousands place? Can you recognize that number?
Ma'am, 10,000.
Yes? It is written 5.
1000.
Yes, 5000. तो यहाँ पे ये जो मैंने टिक लगाए हैं नंबर्स, इनमें से किस नंबर में 5000 है? We have a digit 5 at place value 1000. इसमें देखो आप एक सेकेंड, ये जो फर्स्ट नंबर है, this is ones place. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Tens, 100, 1000.
Yes,
इसका
ma'am.
मतलब 1000 पे it is 2, it is 3, it is 5,
5.
it is 7,
7.
it is 3.
3.
Yes. So now tell me, which number has got 5 at its digit, at its thousands place?
And 3rd.
Third. अब आप हम इसको क्रॉस
And
चेक कर
first.
लेते हैं. Yes. यहाँ देखो 100 प्लेस पे 8 है, यहाँ पे भी 8 है. Okay. 3 tens. So we have 3 at the tens place. So this number comes out to be matching with this. Now you have 3 thousands. Do you have any numbers
Ma'am?
which are? Yes.
Ma'am, सामने.
Yes.
Ma'am, sorry. Ma'am, last.
Yes, very good, Mannat. This is what I was trying to find out. You have not fallen for the first digit. You have checked the next digit also. Yes, very good. So, up, although we have 1000 place, we have 2 digits. एक हमारा ये है 3424 और एक है हमारा 3515. But हमें जो बताया गया है, that is 500. So this is very good that you have checked the other digit also. Now the next 2000s. 2000. First. Very good. Next beta. 7000, 100, 4 tens, 6 ones. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
सामने आओ
Now
तो.
the leftover will be our 3000s, 400s and 2 tens and 4 ones. Yes? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I will tell you something related to successors and एक second beta. I'll tell you something related to successors and predecessors. देखो, see, when we are talking of successors and successor means you have to move on. Okay. That means you have to move on. Yes, clear बेटा? Successor, you are succeeding. जब आपको सक्सेस मिलती है तो आप कहाँ जाते हो बेटा? आप आगे जाते हो, है ना? जब आपको सक्सेस मिलती है you move on आगे. तो इसका मतलब whenever they are asking for successor, so what we will do, successor means you have to plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you have to plus 1. Okay beta? Yes, and when predecessor are talking, they are saying beta आपने predecessor find out करना है. Plus predecessor means पीछे. That means आप यहाँ पे क्या करोगे? -1. Yes, clear
Yes,
beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now, एक second beta. Now our question says you have to write down the successor. अब आपको successor का मतलब पता चल गया? Successor means that a number, the number which is given, what you have to do beta? What will you do? You will add 1 to the number. Yes? You will add 1 to the number. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Manat, I think this one is too big. I'll just reduce this. Okay. Now, whenever you are adding 1, so what we do, we will add 1 to the unit place. Okay. Rest of the number will remain same. Okay बेटा, आपने सिर्फ वंस प्लेस में 1 ऐड करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने हर डिजिट में 1 ऐड कर देना है. ऐसा नहीं होता. जैसे सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल बेटा, अगर सपोज आपसे पूछा गया 1 4 1 का सक्सेसर बताओ, तो वन ऑफ द किड उसने पता है क्या किया? उसने किया, हाँ, उसने किया सब में 1 प्लस कर दिया. तो what the answer was 252. क्या 141 का सक्सेसर 252 है? नो, इट इज नॉट ना. क्या होगा सक्सेसर? हमने जब 1 प्लस करना है तो हम कहाँ करेंगे बेटा? Where will we do? यस, हम कहाँ करेंगे बेटा? वंस डिजिट के पीछे ऐड कर
मैम
दो.
मुझे थोड़ा सा समझ नहीं आया.
हाँ जी, बताओ क्या नहीं समझ में आया बेटा?
मैम ये सक्सेसर से जो स्टार्ट
थोड़ा सा क्लियरली बताओ, मुझे अभी पता नहीं लग रहा आप क्या बोल रहे हो. थोड़ा सा क्लियरली बोलो.
मैम जो आपने सक्सेसर जो बताया था ना.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, वो तो रॉन्ग था
मुझे
बेटा.
बता दो, फिर से समझा दो.
हाँ जी, ये जो है मैं आपको ये पॉइंट बता रही हूँ कि जब हमने वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द सक्सेसर, वी विल ऐड 1. ओके, बट दिस 1 शुड बी एडेड टू ओनली द वंस प्लेस. सिर्फ आपने वंस प्लेस पे ऐड करना है. ओके बेटा, इस पे ऐड करेंगे बस. आपने इसमें 1 नहीं ऐड करना. ओके बेटा? यस, अब समझ में आया? अब समझ में आया?
यस मैम.
ओके. ओ एक सेकेंड. So now we will do our sums. Okay beta. Now our first Now our first question is 23,411. Okay. Now you need to calculate the successor. So what will we do? We will add 1. So what the number will become beta? Tell me.
412.
Yes. How will you read this number? Kindly read this number.
And it's 10, 1 times 100. 2,000.
Yes. 23. Thousand. Yes.
412.
Yes, 412. Very good. Now, again, you have to find the successor. So, we will add 1. अब मन्नत, what happens when we add 1 to 9? क्या बन जाता है बेटा वो number?
10.
10. So, what we will write? We will write only 1. Oh, sorry. We will write only 0. मतलब हम सिर्फ एक ही digit लिख सकते हैं. हम यहाँ पे 10 नहीं लिख सकते. So, what we will do regarding 1? वो जो 10 के साथ 1 होता है उसको हम क्या करेंगे? We will move on to the next number. हम उसको दे देंगे. Yes. So 3 will become 4. Yes. 4. Then
3.
yes.
Ma'am 2.
Yes.
Ma'am 5.
Yes.
Ma'am 3.
Yes. Now you can read this number. Yes. Yes.
100,000, 10,000, lakh.
Yes. Very good.
3,52,440.
1000. Yes. 440. Very good.
40.
Now again we have to find the successor. So when we add 1, Mannat, this will become 0. Yes.
Yes.
So what we will do? We will give our 1 to here. ये भी होगा, ये भी इसको दे देगा. तो फाइनली इसके पास जाके वो 1 जो है वो ऐड हो जाएगा. तो इट विल बिकम 1 7.
17000.
So how will you read this number?
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000.
Yes.
1,
17.
17,000.
Yes, good. Next. Now the number will become, when I add 1 to 1, so it becomes 2. So my 1, yes.
Comma,
Okay.
1, 2, 2.
Yes, now read this number.
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh.
Yes.
Ma'am, 1
Lakh. Very good. 11,000.
122.
Yes, very good. Now next, again you have to find the successor. Now again 9 has come. What will happen to this 9? It will become 10. So yes, so it will, yes. Tell me the number now. 3.
3, comma 0, 0, comma 0, 6, comma, sorry, comma नहीं है, ma'am, 0.
Yes. Now read this number. Can you read this for me?
10,000 lakh.
Okay.
3
60.
60.
Yes.
60.
Yes. Now the next number, again you have to find the successor. What the number will become, Mannat? Tell me.
And 1.
Okay.
Ma'am, 7, comma 9, 0, comma
Yes.
1, 1.
Yes. Now read this number.
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh.
Yes.
1 lakh,
Very good.
90,911.
Very good. That is good. Very good. इस number के लिए you will be getting a star. Very good. Good. Next. Next number is 7808998. So add the number.
0, comma 999.
Let me write also. Yes. Again 7,
7, comma 80, comma 999.
Okay. Now can you read this number for me?
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh.
Yes.
7 lakh 80,999.
Yes. Very good. Next number, tell me. Yes.
7
Should I write?
7,078.
Okay. Now, can you read this number?
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000.
77. Mannat, are you able to hear me?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can hear you.
Okay. So tell me the number. Read the number for me.
Ma'am, I have told you.
Okay. I could not hear that actually. 77,000.
77,078.
Very good, Mannat. Now next. It will become 5, comma.
5, comma 5.
Oh, so many fives, right? Now read the number for me.
5.
Yes, read the number for me.
1, 10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh. 5 lakh 55,000.
55,000. Yes. 555. Okay, good. Now the next number, tell me. 5, 5.
5, comma 5, 6.
Okay. Now, again, can you read this number?
10, 100,000, 10,000 lakh.
Yes.
555,566.
Yes. Okay. That is so good. Very good, Mannat. Chalo. Now we will move on to our next questions. Now again, what you have to tell, the number immediately succeeding 3949 is, मतलब just इसके बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा बेटा? What should I write?
Actually, 950.
9, 5. Okay. Now where should I place my comma?
Ma'am,
Here.
मैम 9 के बाद.
Okay. 3950.
90.
Yes. Now इस नंबर क्या सक्सीडिंग नंबर बताना है आपने बेटा? Dash is the number immediately succeeding 5243.
5244.
Very good. So it will become 5244. Yes. Now they are saying
Ma'am,
the number immediately succeeding the greatest 4-digit number. So first of all, tell me what is the greatest 4-digit number?
ma'am,
Yes.
90 and 99999.
Okay. So now iska successor, what will be the successor of greatest 4-digit number? So we will add 1 over here. So it will become 0. It will become 10. So the answer will be
100000.
yes. So it becomes 10,000. Yes. Now the smallest 6-digit number.
Ma'am, smallest. Ma'am, 999999.
No. That becomes the greatest, beta. This is smallest. Okay. अब इसमें 1 add करेंगे. So what will we be getting? We will be getting 1.
Ma'am, 1,0,0,0,0,0,0.
Yes. So it will become 1,00,000,001. Now tell me the greatest 3-digit number. 999. तो इसका सक्सेसर क्या होगा बेटा?
Ma'am, 1000.
Yes, so it will be 1000. Very good, Mannat. तो इसके लिए I'll give you a smiley. Okay, you have done this sheet very nicely. Okay, so you are getting a smiley over here. Very good, Mannat. Yes.
Ma'am, thank you.
Yes. Chaliye. Now we will do just a little few questions. Okay. First of all, I'll change the color. I'll take it red. Okay. Yes. Now,
Ma'am, ready.
you have to tell me the successor of. आपने इस number का successor बताना है. 6554. Is it A or is it B?
555.
Yes. So it is A. Yes. Now tell me what is the predecessor of 7000? Predecessor matlab you have to minus 1. Yes. It will be A part or B part? Yes. This is B part. Now tell me what comes after 1006. Matlab you have to calculate the...
1007.
Very good. That means it is A part. Now what comes between 3443 and 3445?
444. Ma'am, B part.
Yes, it is the B part. Now what comes before 7123? Predecessor matlab before. You will...
A part, ma'am, A part.
Yes, that is very good, Mannat. You are doing very nicely. What comes in the middle of 2222 and 2224?
2, 3. Ma'am, A part.
Yes, very good. So you have done all the questions correctly. So that means you should get a smiling star. Yes? Very good. So once again, I want to tell you that when we have to calculate the successor, that is equal to the number that comes after. Okay, हमने जब हम छोटी क्लास में थे, we did this thing. What comes after, what comes before, so that is the, हमने उसको new name दे दिया. What comes after मतलब you have to tell the successor. What comes before you have to tell the predecessor. जब हम छोटे होते हैं हमारी जो बात होती है वो सिंपल होती है, लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम ग्रो करते हैं हमारी बात भी ग्रो करती है. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept of successor and predecessor. Yes? Okay, so do this practice at home also and I'll catch you. Okay beta, take care.